are going to love the 2019 Ford Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, power windows, fog lamps, electronic stability control, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, towing package, four-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning, front wheel independent suspension. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.